Go ahead, please.
Good morning. My name is Martin Eckert. I'm a director for Florence Township, and I handle a lot of our town's community outreach programs. For the past several years, I've had the privilege of working with Sewa of Southern New Jersey. They've taken a very vested interest in our community, whether it be through their efforts with the Treats for the Troops program, spending time with our senior population, community cleanups. They helped enrich a pollinator garden last summer. And we handle a lot of community outreach where we have a positive impact with our low-income housing community, our underserved populations in and around the Florence area. So the unique thing that I've noticed with working with Sewa is it's a full team effort. It's the parents serve as these positive mentors for their children and their friends, and it really does form a sense of community within their organization, which actually spills over to a positive impact in our community. So not only are they doing great work, but they're also inspiring others in our community to start to do the same. Later today, I'm going to speak with the young people about community outreach and its impact on communities like ours. And you're hearing it first in this building at the Florence Township Community Center. The inspiring work that Sewa has done has prompted our recreation committee to actually create a food pantry in this building that we're going to provide outreach every week for residents in and outside of the community. And it really was inspired by the adults of this community seeing what these exceptional young people are doing. So from all of us to Sewa International, the charters throughout the country that I believe is close to 50 at this point, and especially the Southern New Jersey chapter. We can't thank you enough. God bless you, and we look forward to a lot more fun and good work together. Thank you.
Thank you.